So hindi niyo po na
Mm.
tatanong si dropshipper na nibilis benta since 2023 yata, tama ba Ma'am Rhea?
Yes,
Yun.
matanda na.
Yes. So, si Ma'am ang sample po namin as a dropshipper na masasabi naman naming may income talaga. Pero hindi niya nakuha yan ng ano lang hindi niya nakuha yan ng nag-subscribe siya, hindi. Hard work talaga. Then,
Hard work
grabe.
talaga. So, sobra. So, yun na lang siguro. Just, yun lang coach. Siguro, especially kung mga bago yung drop, it's not an overnight thing, but it's definitely very fulfilling. Right now, sa store ko kasi, it's really just to encourage, to give some encouragement to others. Tagaan lang talaga po. And then, yun nga, at this point kasi, it's more of optimizing and then putting in some of the other products in place or maging market siya. So, yeah, we appreciate coach that your help that's having all this kind of session. Kasi that would definitely help us eventually when we do, kumbaga paano natin palalakihin yung natin, yung kita natin. Kasi baka mamaya ang ganda-ganda ng traffic, nag-ads tayo na nag-ads. Yung pala, inuubos lang natin yung kinikita natin sa ads, di ba? So, it's very useful that we have that sessions also. In the future, yung mga i-offer nyo, para to help us also to see kung gaano kalaki potential na pwede natin kitain sa. Yun lang, coach.